In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download apps here on a MacBook Pro. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is get on your Mac and look specifically for the App Store. Mine's going to be down on my dock right here, so I can go ahead and open it up. But you can also open up your applications, find App Store in there, or just press Command and then spacebar and type in App Store and hit enter to open it up. It's now going to take you to the App Store. And what you're going to want to do is sign in if needed. I'm already signed in down in the bottom left. But from here, you could start browsing. I would recommend starting on the Discover page up at the very top of this left-hand sidebar because it's going to show you the best apps for Mac. If you're new to Mac, this is a great place to start. Or if you just want to search for something specifically, search for it up in the top left. Let's just go ahead and say I want to get, Agenda right here. So I'd go ahead and select this. This will take me to the app page right here. And it works the exact same as like an iPhone, for example. You'd hit get. After that, you'd simply go ahead and hit install. You may have to type in your password, obviously. But after doing that, it's going to install down on your dock as well as your applications. And once again, you could use something like Command Space and search for it specifically to open it up. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.